Hi, we are Augmented Bionics and we are developing a non-surgical bionic ear for people with severe to profound degrees of hearing loss. Hearing loss is a leading cause of physical disability, affecting over 466 million people globally, and this number is expected to double over the next 30 years. Within that, our focus is on the 70 million people whose hearing loss has progressed so much that it is beyond what hearing aids can handle, and the only current solution for them is a cochlear implant. Sadly, despite being an amazing technology, cochlear implants have achieved less than 5% market penetration globally. This is because the surgery required to receive a cochlear implant requires a doctor to drill inside the head of the patient, which has many risks associated with it, including facial paralysis and further loss of natural hearing. Moreover, the high cost of device and the surgery, along with requirement for a specialized surgeon, make implants inaccessible to most people around the world. Our solution to this problem is to build a bionic ear that completely removes the need for surgery and combines the convenience of externally wearing a hearing aid with the functionality of a cochlear implant. Such a device would remove the risks of surgery for the users, would allow higher patient retentions and satisfaction for hearing aid audiologists, and would significantly reduce reimbursement costs for insurance providers. This value proposition would enable us to significantly grow the market size of the already growing bionic ear segment, and our technology has already received interest from market leader Cochlear. With the help of Hear and Say, we have interviewed end users, their families, and key opinion leading clinicians to validate the clinical need for the device and have received strong confirmation for this need. Our device is based on a safe and FDA-approved technology called transcranial magnetic stimulation that uses magnetic pulses to activate the nerves inside the body. TMS has proven to be effective in creating hearing sensations in cochlear implant candidates when applied to the hearing nerve. Our patent, jointly developed with the University of Queensland, builds on top of that, showing that our novel design can focus TMS stimulation on different parts of the cochlear nerve selectively to allow the user to hear multiple audio frequencies. The patent has received a clear international search opinion as well as a clear freedom to operate search report and is scheduled for national phase filings in September this year. We have further demonstrated this focusing capability through our benchtop prototype, which shows that we can focus our magnetic pulses on small targets within an area the size of the human cochlea. Our technology development strategy will allow us to capture both objective and subjective data through preclinical and clinical trials, while allowing us to address challenges associated with the size, energy consumption, stability, and stimulation strategy of the device. Along with technology development, we'll continue to interview end users, clinicians, distributors, and payers to develop our business case and involve regulatory authorities via the MDSAP pathway for regulatory approval. Our technology also has spillover benefits into other clinical applications, which we can explore after the market launch of our hearing device. Our team has expertise in biomedical sciences, engineering, and commercialization, and we are supported by leading researchers from Macquarie University, University of Queensland, and University of New South Wales in our scientific and engineering endeavors, as well as industry key opinion leaders and former senior staff from market leaders like Cochlear and Medtronic to ensure the development pathway is aligned with our commercialization strategy.
I'm delighted to support Augmented Bionics as they seek to transform the hearing health of the many individuals globally who would benefit from their non-invasive bionic ear. Now, as the academic director of Macquarie University Hearing, I believe their approach expresses two important features of a successful therapy, and that's accessibility and scalability. Now, every year, nearly 1.5 million additional adults worldwide are diagnosed with severe to profound hearing loss. And for the majority of these people, they receive no hearing help at all, or they're stuck using technologies that can't meet their hearing needs. Augmented Bionics' development of a truly non-invasive approach to stimulating the deaf and ear is potentially transformative for this large and growing population. Here at Macquarie University, we're going to help guide Augmented Bionics through the preclinical and early clinical stages of their R&D program. And in partnership with colleagues at the University of New South Wales, we are going to progress in vivo animal studies to clinical trials in human populations. Our focus on patient benefit and the importance of patient involvement in developing research towards translational outcomes will provide Augmented Bionics with a perfect platform to advance their technology to market. Of course, by connecting them with government, commercial, and not-for-profit partners in the hearing space, Macquarie University can support Augmented Bionics in their mission to develop this non-invasive bionic ear that's suitable for and accessible by the many millions of deaf and hard of hearing patients worldwide who benefit from that technology.
We have also received significant early-stage industry support, having completed 2 VC-led investment rounds, completed 3 accelerator programs, along with developing a clear clinical trials, regulatory, reimbursement, product development, and intellectual property strategy.
Our goal over the next 12 months is to demonstrate a proof of concept, first in preclinical guinea pig studies, and then in a first-in-human proof of concept. Thank you.